Hello everybody, this is Oscar Kibet. Now today I'll be taking a tour to one of the most dangerous places in Nairobi. It's called Dandora. Why I really need to go there is because they have a special kind of timber that is not really easy to find. And then the good thing is that they are selling it at a very good price point. So in my channel, what I usually post is woodwork on rattan or woodwork on metal. That is what we do for a living. So for those people who like weaving, rattan cane weaving, pure rattan cane weaving, then welcome to my channel. So I'm about to leave my apartment here in Karen, and then I'll be showing you where we buy this timber from and where we split this timber from. So thank you so much. Enjoy the video. Yeah, now I'm out of the apartment right now. So right now I want to head to Dandora. Like I said, this is one of the most dangerous places in Nairobi. So I'll be taking you a tour of how we got there and we purchased it. So basically this video is about where we buy our timber from. So right now I'm going to buy timber a timber called Maembe. It's usually yellowish in color because we also use mahogany, but this one now is slightly different. So enjoy the video. I'll show you next. So I'm using an electric. So welcome back my people. This is where I buy the timber from. This is called mango. There are those who don't like the redwood, so this is usually another choice. The timber is usually like creamish white, as you can see. It's also hardwood. For those ones who prefer a choice of light colored timber, this is what it is. So now I'm at the milling place. I'll show you how we get our timber done. So this is the warehouse of where all the woodworks is done. As you can see, I'm taking you around. That's the machine which cuts the timber for us. Yeah, so this wood is called Maembe. It comes from the Coast Province. We're in Dandora right now. So folks, we've managed to select 3 of these logs. As you can see, we're in preparation to make like 40 chairs. So this was our best choice. The price for these 3 will cost roughly 180 US. So as you can see, this is the timber. So we are preparing it we want to have them split. I'll show you in the next stage. Okay, hi folks, this is Oscar again. like I said, I've come to Dandora. This is where I usually buy the timber. Some of our clients, they appreciate white wood. So the reason why we had to really come here is to buy the cream wood. This timber that you see here is called maembe. Usually use it mango. Sorry, it's not. Okay, maembe is Swahili, but English you call it mango. This timber comes from the coast of Mombasa, as you can see. So we purchased 3 logs here. We purchased these 3 logs. So we are going to take them back to Gog Road, and then you have them split from there, because that's where they have most of the machinery. So this is the timber that you're being shown. This one, it's cream in color. It's also hardwood. So for those who don't like mahogany, this is the perfect choice. Yeah, you can see here. Yeah, this is the timber. So we're going to make some chairs and pulpits for one of our clients. Now, what happens with this timber is when it's being processed during finishing, it's always important to have it soaked in vinegar before varnishing. So I really appreciate so much for you guys following us up to here. This is called Dandora. This is the east part of Nairobi. Yeah, as you're being shown properly. Yeah, that's the timber there. This is where we always purchase it. Purchase it from. Yeah, there you're also being shown. That's the milling part. That's the large bandsaw. That is what is used to split this timber. But after splitting, we'll have it smoothened. Yeah, what is this place called? Yeah, this is called Dandora, but what is the name of the place? Huh? Yeah. Oh, Stefan. Okay, this is Stefan. So these are the guys who sell us the timber. Yeah, it's called Valentino Stefano. Yeah, he sells the timber to us at a very good price. It's a pleasure. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.